User entered your channel. User left your channel.
Here we are.
Channel switched.
Yeah, I hope.
Okay.
Very good.
Yeah, I saw your final yesterday on your stream. Very relaxed.
Oh, yeah.
That's what bugs me. It looks so relaxed when you look at Tim's stream, and here I'm struggling. Yeah, I mean, you can see sweat running down my face, and palms are sweaty, and you can just see he's just sitting there drinking coffee, having a biscuit. God.
I think the band Rage Against the Machine have a song called Calm Like a Bomb.
Yeah, that's right. Jeez, man.
Tim was sweating at the very end yesterday, telling us he wasn't going to make it.
Indeed.
Yeah. It was dang tricky.
Well,
Hi, Stephen.
Yes,
Stephen.
event.
Hi,
Hey,
Stephen.
Stephen.
standard class. So let's take the meals to standard
Yeah, I
class.
use LK8000 here for VR flying. It's there's a good converting tool from VTolt. Only one click and you have converted the whole task in LK8000. That's cool.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Cloud police. Oh, plane icon is only 6 kilometers. Turn up is only 2 kilometers. Okay, the rest is like it'll tie 70 meters, 700 meters.
Ah,
And
Kotasa is giving up on me here.
it's coming from the mostly west, a little bit south. Okay, thermal's only medium.
Yeah, I have problems
Moderate.
also with Kotasa, with the
Variation is
flap
high.
window. I can't pin it.
I'll have to restart.
But it's no problem. No, it's okay.
Okay, so winds are coming this way. They want to come down this way here.
We're getting more and more people on the server here, so it's going to have to be a little careful getting in and out. Not quite there yet.
Yeah.
Give it another month. It's going to be touchy.
Height 1,000 feet. And oops. Oh, where am I? There we go. Start height 17. Okay.
How does it choose what number you are in the list before we even get started here?
No idea.
Well, I'm number 1. Maybe it's a good omen, eh?
Yeah. Plenty of time, 11 minutes.
And so far, there's only 26 people in.
Okay, hopefully this will work.
Yeah, switch from dashboard or desktop to VR and back, and then I have no voice, and I go to desktop, click Condor, then I have voice, then during the towing, the window changed again. The first problems here.
Yeah. Actually, Condor is not that stressing, but all the add-ons programs you need to,
Absolute. Yeah.
yeah, it is a bit stressing.
VR sucks it down. I bought a new computer when I got VR.
Yeah, it needs a quite good graphics card.
Yeah, I put the cable direct on the graphic card with USB Charlie, and yeah, I have the highest solution as possible.
Oh, very nice. And 120 frames per second.
Right.
Nice.
And rendering all right, full stuff, and works good.
Yeah. And if you have a fluent display, you shouldn't be that motion sick.
User joined your channel.
Who just entered the room?
Can I ask a question? I really don't know about Kutasa. When we take off, we're getting when we're getting towed up. Is it first showing data when you're released from the tow plane or what?
There should be some static data while you're on the runway.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, I didn't have that at all. It said waiting for data. So
Yeah,
Oh.
mine's not doing anything, but there is a number there, an arrow, a little bit of an arrow, more like a line. I only have the horizon.
Try to restart Kutasa without exiting Condor.
yeah, I did all that, and I was in and looking at the extended data 1.1 and all that, and checking the lines of the ini file, and nothing worked. I just rebooted my system here, so let's see. I'm on my way in now. Because last time I had the problem with the Cortázar not starting up, there was nothing. I could not find anything in the code anywhere. Nothing.
But when you are ready on the runway, Kutasa should be receiving data.
Yeah. Yeah, it works now. Yeah, there you go. That is really strange. And the only thing that can make this work, from all that I know, is full reboot of the system. That is really strange. Anyway, I'm with you guys.
Cool.
Glad to have you.
So, thank you.
So, Garrett, did you have to exit and come back in?
Yeah, I restart completely.
Thanks for the help, by the way.
but I'm coming not in VR now. Only desktop.
Can you start Condor from the desktop inside your headset? Then do you have the controller so on?
Yeah, I use the right controller. But when I click on my desktop, go in the taskbar and switch to Condor, then I have the desktop, not the VR.
What
Because
about Alt Enter?
yeah, I will try. No, it's a full window now. Uh-oh.
Took you somewhere else, Tim.
But Gerd, am I understanding you correct that you're looking at your desktop inside your VR?
Yeah, I see my desktop, and there's Condor works and sound.
Does it work now?
Not coming on VR when I push the Oculus button
Oh, okay.
because the Oculus program was disconnected, and I connected it new, and I think that was the reason.
Oh,
So I can close Condor and restart again. I hope it works.
yeah, it will. It will. Because the connection is made when you restart the program you want to run.
Yeah. Yeah, the program must running then Condor, and I take the other way at the last. And now I'm in again.
Take off at that particular time.
This ridge northwest of the start does work.
I guess a lot of people having trouble since I just crashed myself. Try to get back. Okay, I had to join the third server.
Yeah. Are you alone there?
I haven't gotten in yet. It's still loading up.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm alone. Yeah, it looks like we're flying by myself here. Oh, there's one other pilot here. Tango Zulu.
Well, at least you're not alone over there then.
Yeah, good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah,
Look.
good luck, everyone.
Good luck, everyone.
The ridge is really lethargic after the start, just so you know. Climbing at 0.8 at 150, 160.
You think he's getting some height there? Tango Zulu? And 17 meters plus to start.
Good luck, Tim.
Thank you.
Yeah, good luck.
Good luck to you, Bruce. And good luck to all.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Do you have a strong one over there, Tim?
Yeah, it's about 3.
Okay, thank you. Dang. Ah.
luck, Viking.
Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank you. I borked the start here, though. Oh my goodness.
Speed. Trim it. So I always try to fly around that yellow and green line somewhere in there. See right there, my thing says I'm going too fast. Getting much off of these ridges. wonder if that's a better place to go right there. This is more direct. Those mountains are more steeper. It seems like this one is. I'm gonna get high enough. See, he made it over the top there. So I'm gonna have to like do a little climbing here. Park. Martina 19. 2,000 meters.
Congrats, Bruce.
Thanks,
Right.
Bruce.
Congrats.
Congrats, Bruce.
The other guy's long gone.
Pretty much 3 all the way around, Tim. Neto
Very
says
nice.
3-4. Neto says 3-4.
Eh. I don't know if I can get over those hills straight across. See if there's anything on these clouds here. But Tango Zulu's like 46. I'm only 30. He's like 16 kilometers ahead of me. He's traveling like 173 kilometers, and I'm 130 kilometers. Let's see if I get anything on these clouds. If I do, I won't circle. I'll just try to follow the cloud streak right there. See if I get anything on this cloud. Nothing. It's that nice little low point there, hopefully. Hopefully I'll make it. Doesn't seem to be much sink here.
That's my thing.
Thank you.
That's liking.
Thank you very much.
So I got a lot of rising air. So getting a little up there, getting a little up. Same as I thought one night thermal there, but pretty close to the bottom of that cloud anyway. So yeah, I got about 100 meters. Oops. Like 5 minutes away. Okay, what's his name? Tango Zulu reached the turn point. And kind of relax and watch the scenery.
I like it.
Congrats, Cat.
Congrats, good.
Yeah, thank you.
Congrats.
Congrats. That gave me a little boost. I was 9, now I'm like
You got a
1,000.
thermal there, Bruce?
Don't know. Don't know. There's something. Still trying to center it. I think there's something here.
Yeah, you're not going to get 3 meters off this ridge.
It's 3. It's over 3.
It's still like 10 kilometers in front of
Not
me.
all the way around though.
No, I'm varying between 2 and 3.
Yeah, not so great.
Well, I reached the first turn point, and it only took me 24 minutes to get there. Of course, the other guy's in front of me.
Congrats.
Thanks. It'd be better
Yeah,
if I was. It'd be better if I was ahead of him. But now I'm looking at a big mountain right in my path. I can't go over that one. So I don't think so. You can kind of go around it. And for this cloud, it's probably too big. It's probably too old.
Oh, this is much better. I took too many turns and blew thermals out there. 2 different ones, 2 different thermals.
Uh, 23, 2,342 meters. Let's see. I don't know. It's actually facing the wind, that mountain. Might be better than the, it's such a gentle slope.
This is what we're talking about, eh, Rich?
Yeah, and also I'd say over 4.
I don't know.
And wide enough.
It's quite narrow, isn't it?
No, I feel like it's fairly wide. Well, at least to get above 4. Yeah. I mean, it's good. Yeah, it is a little narrow maybe, but there's enough, strong enough lift. You get pretty strong. You're above 4 all the time.
Yeah,
Let's see.
nearly at cloud base anyway.
Let's see what this is. $230. If this thing is anything at all, I'm gonna have to circle in it.
Well, I got to say that cloud was very lucky.
Very, just at the right place and right time for us.
Right. Well, your route was obviously better. I've already lost 40 meters on you. You just started.
Probably flying slower than you.
Nope.
I got a 4 here.
Oh, gotcha.
Downwind leg, man.
Yeah, I hate these sort of downwind, crossing high ridges type. It's just a question of time before we end up with a parking ticket.
Yeah, they're not all so low here. Oh, there's JAH over there. Oh my God, he was way out front.
You're running for that ridge?
He didn't get the lucky thermal.
No, I saw Tim come underneath me before we got to that high ground. He looked pretty low.
And it's a wide cloud. Wide thermal. I only got 2 red lines on this leg, and one of them goes right along this mountain right here. 2 little dashes along this leg.
I couldn't work out a decent route through this hodgepodge of mountains.
Yeah, me either. That's why there's just one little dash along here and one little dash toward the end. It's kind of like, go to the party and see if you see anybody.
It's funny too, because it doesn't look the same as it did on the map.
It never does. Excuse me. Okay, so I need 1,441 meters. Which is supposed to so.
Looks like I had a good red mark here.
That was worth a little detour, wasn't it?
Yeah. Well, it's on the blue line, so. Flew through there kind of fast. And
Didn't get much there. I probably flew in the
hope I'm not sorry going this way.
leeward side. What are those like blue? What are those green dots?
That ridge just looks like doo-doo.
Yeah, there's a tiny bit of wind on it, but not much, I don't think. This might be another 4 meter cloud, you never know.
There's an airport. Hey, there's Tango Zulu. You must just climb underneath this cloud here. Well, I caught up to Tango Zulu.
I'm doing a really terrible job of flying this thermal.
He's got the height on me. I'm gonna have to kind of like climb in this cloud if it's any good at all.
Man, I wouldn't want to be doing AP where we are.
Not too strong.
Well, we're done, Rich. Just about. If it wasn't for the mountains.
Yeah, I got a final glide. Just a lot of granite in the way.
Granite softer than cement, right?
But harder than LS8.
It's not just the high ground. The ground is the type that produces lots of sink in places.
I imagine you got enough height to endure those sink. Spend too much time here. So yeah, sent it up a little bit. I got up to 2.5. Let's stay right here. Let's see how much I can get.
Man, JH got really low, and everybody caught up with him.
Yeah, I don't think it's a task of pushing too hard, is it? The lift on that first leg wasn't startling, and the second legs are very bitty.
Just on the edge of stalling. But it got me up to a 3.
Man, there's some people way down there.
At this point, I don't care about Tango Zulu. I just want to get the height here. As long as I'm doing a 3, might as well take it up to cloud base. last turn. Ugh, still minus 700.
Holy moly. I guess we don't need it, but boy, what a thermal.
Yeah, just be careful. I nearly got sucked into the cloud.
7.
I didn't
And
stop and
wide.
turn. I just pulled up in it, but it was very strong.
Really wide, too. Looks like mountains all the way to the end to get over.
Looks like it.
Hmm.
You really, you know, it makes the computer a lot less useful. I mean, I don't really know what's. I didn't take any readings on those ridges up ahead.
Now that's a task cool for VR. Very nice.
What did you say, Gary?
I thought this is a task very cool for VR.
For some reason, I'm just not hearing you. Something about VR.
Yeah, it's a cool task for VR flying.
Oh, yeah. Every tab.
Yeah, I couldn't go back to flat screen, not having used goggles now.
Oh, yeah. Every task.
Yeah, I'm having a hell of a time here. I flew on different simulators for over 2 years exclusively in VR. And now I'm back to 2D. I've never felt so detached from anything. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And I've so looked forward to, I was going to get a new computer here in October. I've actually saved up for this bloody computer for the last 2 years. And just with a snap, I lost the possibility to get a new one. It's just
Sorry.
fucked up, man, because of our heating bill just, it was turned up 300%.
Well, this winter is going to be crazy.
So goodbye, new computer. I don't know how long I'll be flying with you guys, to be honest.
Well, you're flying now.
Oh yeah, it's holding water so far. But you know, I took the receipts from the old parts I gathered this computer around, and the youngest part in this computer is 14 years old, which is the graphic card. And I can tell you, just as if I get near a cloud now, my computer freezes, and it's not really that fun.
I see why everybody went west, Rich. You can make better use of your altitude.
I don't think we've done too bad, Bruce.
Now we're okay.
Who put all that stone into the clouds here?
All these hills really complicate it. Tiberio's all over.
Yeah, I can see a finish line.
I am looking straight into granite here. Oh my gosh. The first leg was quite easy. This is another story though. The second leg.
Yeah, definitely more serious.
Oh yeah.
Congrats, Rich.
Thank you.
Congrats.
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 Congrats, Bruce.
Okay.
Congrats.
Yep. Congrats, Bruce.
Well, looks like your basic crosswind landing.
Yeah, goes with a crosswind takeoff.
Maybe we can go here. A little bit more west is the blue line. Because that's what wind directions are coming. Give it a try.
Ah, you outran me, Rich. I couldn't keep up. I landed a little ways away. I was landing right on your tail. You had a lot more gas. Keep going.
I usually sort of do the final approach at about 120.
I was just right on your tail. I don't know. You just kept going. I slowed down.
Oh, you mean to run to the finish?
No, I'm talking about right here in the landing. I was in formation with you.
Oh, right. Yeah, I come in at about 120 and then I try and hold about half air brake and just float it down till it runs out of energy. Try and do a nice smooth landing. I think Tim set the standard on that. You're not far away, you're only 100 meters anyway.
Yeah. I was with you for a while as we were hitting the ground, but
Yeah, so that's what I try to aim for is 120 half air brake, and then when it gets really close to the ground, I just keep holding off and holding off and holding off till it gently settles.
really good flying, Rich. You did good today.
Hey, you did as well, Bruce.
Wow.
Enjoyed that thermal with you. That was a lifesaver for us.
Yeah, it was great. Yeah, but you kept staying higher. You know, you were showing your chops pretty good. You kept staying higher, and I'd keep losing compared to you. Pretty good, man.
It's funny because I was thinking the same thing about you on that first ridge. I was trying to catch you up, and I thought, you're getting away from me slowly, and you're higher. I don't know how you're doing it.
Yeah, I don't know.
But I think just being 100 meters left or right of, is can make a big difference. I watched, I can't remember who it was, but I watched somebody pull up in a thermal ahead of us, and there must have been maybe 50 meters to their left, and I hardly got anything. So I'm not sure what happened. Obviously, the thermal must have been quite narrow.
Congrats, Tim.
Thank you.
That's Tim.
Congrats.
Guys.
Well, F1 better hurry up if he's gonna smoke everybody.
Yeah, I'm
we
not.
lost you, Viking.
Yep, I quit. There's no need for. I was over 60 kilometers out, and I was lost. I won't hold them awake, the ones who's running the service. I went totally bonkos today.
You know, my computer locks up now and then too, some days for, a second or two. So I don't know. Hopefully you'll be okay. It'll keep going.
I don't know whether it helps, but I always do a restart on my computer before coming to the tasks to make sure that it's freed up all memory and unnecessary drivers and stuff.
Yep. That's always a good thing. I always do that also. So I don't know. It's old part. You can see a 14 years old graphic card. I mean, come on. And it's an old AMD card.
But how old is Condor 2 now?
I don't know.
Is it about 10 years, Tim?
Oh, no.
No, I don't think either. maybe in 6-7 years, maybe.
Yeah, that's about it.
No, right, it's not as old as I thought, but even so, it's graphically, it's not that demanding
No.
unless you're using
No.
VR.
I need to get into VR again somehow, but I don't think it's possible. It's gone crazy here. Everything has gone crazy here, so I'll have to. I just take it a step at a time. It'll hold water as long as it can, and when I disappear, you know what happened.
Okay. Well, hopefully you got it something you can at least pop in and say, "Hey guys."
I don't. This is it.
Oh man, Myers didn't make it.
I just seen him on the ridge. He's obviously too low.
Oh, is that one that you and I went over at the end?
If you look to your right, behind the hangars, there's that bit of a ridge. And I saw him creeping along there. So, yeah, I think he's just too low.
See, a lot of people went around the ridge. You and I went over.
Yeah, but that thermal saved the bacon there, didn't it?
No, I'm saying right at the end, there was another ridge where everybody was going way off to the side.
Oh, yeah. Well, I looked at it and I thought, get some speed on, I reckon we'll get over that. Which we did.
They were out to the west. All these guys in front of me, actually, I think they finished in front of me, were out to the west.
Them west is the blue line too. There seems to be a lot of like ridges where I'm getting a lot of like lift along the way.
Well, the reason they were out west at the very end was they didn't have to have altitude to get over the last ridge. But in the end, I didn't have any extra anyway. So
That's where I think we did the right thing in flying a little bit more conservatively and staying high.
and we were more direct route.
Yeah, and then we had the height to get over them ridges that the others were flying around. So we caught them up quite a bit.
Oh, they still ate my bacon. Just not as bad.
Good luck to those who are still flying. I'll catch you later on, guys. Thanks for tonight.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you, Viking Star. Didn't go.
It's okay.
See you, Viking.
It's early days.
User disconnected from your channel.
Well, just have final glide just. So we gotta see if we can get over these hills. Or mountains.
EM did well. I was with him for quite a while, till just after the turn point. I didn't see where he went after that.
I guess we'll have to look. Really cool that you can do the VR now, Garrett.
Yeah, it's very cool.
What VR headset are you using, Gerd?
As a Quest 2.
Oh, yeah, same as I'm using.
Yeah, it's a good solution. I had 2 years ago the Rift Sierra. Wasn't better.
Only 30 people are there. On a weekend in Arc Alpine, that's kind of a low number.
Friday.
Yeah, it is.
I didn't fly yesterday because I was over visiting my son and his family.
Yeah, good move there.
I tried to see him at least once a week, but with his work pattern, it all, you know, I never know what day it's going to be, but it's best for them. That Everest
Lonely
task
little
we flew
tree up
on
there.
Wednesday, was it? I was so annoyed with myself that I flew it offline later that evening and actually got round.
Yeah, it was better than the other Everest tests we've done so far. But
Yeah,
I haven't been excited about them yet.
I want to do that latest Everest test offline.
It's getting going out of the trick for me that was to get high as quickly as I could, and then I think I arrived at the first turn point at 7,600 or something like that.
Oh,
Which-
yeah, taking the scenic route. Wow,
Say again?
the scenic route.
Yeah, against the valley.
Just looking around, you know.
Through the pass.
Like 3 minutes away. My speed is like, or not my speed, but my time is like 1 hour and 5 minutes. The other guy did in 1 hour and 4 minutes.
Yeah, it's a game of seconds, man.
Best time on our server is 1 minute, 1 second. Sorry, 1 hour, 1 minute, and 1 second.
Well, when I say an hour, I say an hour and
I don't
4 minutes.
understand that graphic over by the windsock. I don't understand what they're doing there. Almost like graffiti.
Okay, now we can kind of speed up here.
The little box, you mean, with the red cross in it?
Yeah. What's going on there?
But the red cross normally means it's not landable. The T should show the wind direction, which it seems to be doing quite well. And I'm not sure what the other symbol is.
Congrats, Gareth.
Thank
That's
you.
good.
Congrats, Gerd.
It's like Austria or Switzerland or something.
One minute out.
After a while, it's a quest and little white stripe at the bottom of the view in the Google. If it's the same, and I can reset it, and then it's okay. You know what I mean, Raj?
Sorry, Gerd, say that again, please.
Yeah, I have sometimes flying a little white stripe at the bottom of my Google in the view, and when I go Condor and reset the view, and that's okay.
Yeah, it's finding the best refresh rate and frequency and stuff that suits your hardware. I keep experimenting.
Yeah, okay.
I get little stutters sometimes, but I think I've got rid of most of that.
I made it.
Congrats,
Good.
Stephen.
Congrats, Stephen.
1
Yes.
hour, 1 hour, 9 minutes, and 1 second. 154.3. The other guy's like 165.6.
Yeah, that puts you in 17th here.
Okay.
You beat JAH.
Push the autopilot, yes.
And you
It's on
forgot,
my eyes, yeah, the wrong button.
you
Yeah.
forgot your gear as well?
Yeah.
That's not the
Yeah, a
other
lot
way.
of practice is coming.
It's all crosswind, man. Put my gear down.
Yeah, I see now the LK8000 works good, but I can't manage it with zoom in, zoom out, and so. Saw a lot of videos in YouTube. This auto hotkey, it's a programmer software. I think I'm too silly for that.
Hit the runway.
My little map on my knees have really helped me a lot.
Yeah.
Maybe not as good as what you got, but it's really helped. It's pretty good. Very doable for me.
Yeah, but with moving map, GPS data, all things, that's very good. But when I not manage it during the flight, is also not good. Only have a zoom from 1 kilometer.
That's everybody home on our server, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how do you
And
pronounce?
congrats, Rich. Very solid flight for you.
Oh, thank you, Tim. Well, Bruce and I were very lucky with a thermal to get over that first lot of high ground.
Yeah, I heard rumors about 7 meters.
I flew through that one. I didn't. Well, I pulled up in it, but I didn't circle because
Yeah,
I was
Wow.
already close to cloud base anyway.
Yeah, that was the pull-up one.
Yeah, I nearly flew into the cloud. I was going up that fast.
Wow.
That was after we found the thermal that was like 4.5 to 5 to get us up and over a ridge. So we had what we needed on the end, and then naturally we run in this one that's super wide, and it's like at least 7.6 in a straight line on the netto.
Oh, wow. You were fortunate to be at the right place at the right time.
Yeah.
There's the thing with this is there's always an element of task, isn't there? Somebody could be 3-4 kilometers behind you and miss a good bit of lift.
All those guys that
Yeah.
went left around that ridge might have been faster. I don't know. I just decided I was going to go this other way, and I wasn't so sure.
Yeah, of course, if you get a good lift and fun glide, and you can pass the mountains, the straight way is always faster.
Yeah, I was just every time I got approached a bit of high ground with the head, every time I got a bit of lift off it, I just sort of pulled up and then pushed on again, and just doing little zigzags to get in little pull-ups as I was going.
You know, like I said, I went like west because I saw these like mountains that were like facing the wind and kind of stuff. And I just kind of used them to like, get a little bit of lift here, a little bit of height here, a little bit there, just, fly through the sink as fast as I could. I almost screwed up at the very end there because like I forgot about the minimum height, but luckily enough I had enough speed to be able to pull up and, easily got the minimum height. But I didn't see the airport. It's like way the hell over here.
Well, I just flew with my mentor because he'd picked a good route out.
I wish I could have kept up with like Tango Zulu. It looked like he picked a good route too, because he was just like he's like 11 kilometers faster than I was. How do you pronounce his name here? It's like Mario Zeller land on this building. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Yeah, I've been looking at it, but I'm the ignorant American.
Well, I figure it's spelled in like, it's like European sensibility. So you get some pronunciation.
Angrash Punk de Himmels.
All right, guys. I'll see you hopefully tomorrow.
See you, man.
Yeah, servus, bye-bye.
Hope
I'll
I
say bye as well.
Hope
Thanks
that-
for flying. Have a great day and evening, and see you guys tomorrow.
Thanks, Tim.
Yeah, hope my computer works tomorrow and I fly with you guys.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow, Tim.
User disconnected from
And
your
Rich,
channel.
what's your
Bye-bye.
configuration? Bye-bye. About Quest 90 hertz or
Let's see if I can get the
120?
Tim's
User
like
disconnected from your channel.
No, hang on a
Tim's
second. I'll just go and show
stream
you. Tell
before I
you.
take off.
Yeah, I use 90 hertz at 1.2, which gives me a resolution of 4480 by 2256.
Okay, yeah, I will try it out.
Okay, I gotta connect to Tim's stream before he signs off, because
Okay,
otherwise
Rich,
you have to wait
have a nice
a couple of
day.
days.
Bye-bye.
Bye, good flying with you again, mate. It's nice to see you back, and I'm glad you're enjoying the VR.
Yeah, absolute.
Take
but
care.
I must learn a lot. Yeah, thank you.
Take care, fellows. See you later.
See you.
User disconnected from your channel.
I'm getting out of as well.
Disconnected.
Yeah, I'm gonna sign off here because like I was on a different server. So, well, hang on. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Although the mine's on. Let's see. Not sure how it works if you're on a different like server. Okay. Submit it. Okay, 21. Let's see if it is 10th on this one, then we'll see. Yeah, see, so okay. It's Richard Brown. Oops. Richard. And Bruce. And Gerd will be the 5th month. You'll be 105 at a time. Okay. The test time. Started out ahead of this, guys. I'm in the yellow plane. And you know, caught up to me. I've stayed up with him so reasonably so far. Just going east. They're all west. That's where I started to decide to go east. Or being west. So they're on the blue line. Most of them. See, Tim went far west. Yeah. Took the same path that they did, pretty much. For the most part. Let's go back. I want to see their times. Let's see, Tim with an hour and 4 minutes. Okay, just the same as Tango Zulu. Richard with an hour and 1 minute. Bruce is like an hour and 3 minutes. That wasn't too far off. You know, just like 6 minutes off. Thereabouts. Okay, thanks for flying with me. I'll see you next time.